This morning we woke up, our brother-in-law said, hey guys, you want to go up to Donut Falls? Like, yeah, absolutely. I thought I was going to sleep in today and be warm in my bed, but nope. Woke up a little early, not too bad, and took off on the trail. There was no one up here until we got to this point. Look how packed it is up here. Popular with the scouts, popular with families. It's Saturday, and who expected anything else?
Yeah. You guys want to go around?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. I'm a little.
You're a little bit wet there.
Thanks.
Well, you got about half of that. And then you got covered in snow.
Woo, okay. Sorry for the vision. If it looks terrible with the water on it, we can't do anything about it. I just fell off the trail. So, as you can see, here's the trail. It's good and packed, but then when you get off of it a little bit, it collapses right into the river. This is a stream and river that's coming down from Donut Falls. So we're on our way up there and we'll check it out.
I'm going to go inside there. We're going to see if we can get some pictures of the waterfall coming through that hole. It's flowing right through that hole, and it's coming down inside this ice cave. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. Oh, that's so awesome.
Really slick to go down here. I am not standing, I'm just sliding. Oh.
Whoa!
You can take that trail, looks like it's better.
I'm gonna be able to get out of that. That's pretty deep.
We gotta bring.
I'm gonna have to crawl out of there.
Should we get Buster to get the claw?
Okay. The claw. Thought we were gonna have to roll him. Holy cow.
Every step off the trail.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with those steps.
That guy stepped
Heads
off
up,
right there,
Brendon.
like, whoa.
Oh, that was a pretty good drop.
I want to slide
Oh,
down there by the
I'm
tree.
slipping, so I'm going. See you guys. I'm not coming fast, so should be good.
That is the only way to go. I'm coming down, get the man. Whoa!
Oh, I just touched ground. I hope that wasn't wet.
I got a little snow edgy. Yeah, just the one good path, right?
Yes, it really is.
Exactly.
Who's the caveman, Barry?
This trail's pretty cool to snowshoe up, but as you can see, this guy, he's like us. We don't have snowshoes because it's so packed right now. You don't need them. It's actually easier without them. So, overall, do you think the picture turned out pretty well?
Yeah, I mean, just from my preview, I'm pretty excited for the HDRs that I took. So I got some really good detail with the ice on the lower, smaller, less time settings. And then with the longer time settings that I started with, I got all the rocks and all the detail. And so being able to work those individually and then combining them as an HDR will be really fun.
We talked about this tip when we were hiking in Sweetwater. We were hiking at Fifth Water Springs. These bladders, they're awesome, but in the winter, you gotta work hard to keep these from freezing. You take your sip, you do it frequently so it doesn't freeze. Plus, after you take that sip, you blow it back, all the water out of the tube. And when I was sitting in there in the cave, it sat in the tube and froze, and now I have 0 water on the way down. So don't be stupid like me. We know we didn't say much to the camera this photog adventure. The place was just so crowded on the outside of the entrance where it was quiet that when we saw a hole, a space, a gap in the crowd, we decided to take off and get in there and just get our shots. Photography first, right? In there, definitely 100 ISO. We kept everything there, but then we had a bracket. So you were jumping around from half a second to a full 15 seconds, depending on what you're aiming to try and capture. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, get your camera out, man. That is awesome, especially with the sun coming on them.
Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Look at that.
We're trying to get our cameras out more when we're on the journey, and so right now Brendon's following through. I'm on record duty, so he'll get his camera out. Plus, honestly, sometimes when you get your portfolio shot, that's the exact same as Brendon's portfolio shot. It's kind of depressing.
Quality here. I'm not just gonna get right up in this guy.
Do it. For following us, guys. Come back for another photog adventure next week, and if you guys enjoy these videos and want to get notified, please click subscribe and hit that bell button so you get alerted. Thanks, guys. So we have a Milky Way that's gonna be totally vertical tonight.